how to actually get the quadratic formula from completing the square. So the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let's complete the square for this equation. So the first thing you do is get rid of the coefficient of x squared, which is a. So if you divide everything by a, you're left with x squared plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to 0. And then you can bring the c over to the other side, so you're left with x squared plus bx over a is equal to minus c over a. Then you just complete the square for this left-hand side right here. So you divide b over a by 2, so you're left with x plus, well, b over a divided by 2 is the same as a half times b over a, so that's b over 2a all squared. And then that would give you x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared. So you want to subtract b squared over 4a squared, so that you're left with this term on the left-hand side. And on the other side, you still have minus c over a, so that does not change. Well, you bring the b squared over 4a squared to the other side, so now you have x plus b over 2a all squared is equal to b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. And now you should see like the formula forming slowly. So now, what do we do with the right hand side? You can see this is c over a and this is b squared over 4a squared. So let's say multiply c over a by 4a over 4a. So you're just like multiplying by 1, you're not really changing anything. Well, then you get x plus b over 2a all squared is equal to b squared over 4a squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Well, you can simplify this now because you have 4a squared in the denominator on both sides. So you get x plus b over 2a all squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac all divided by 4a squared. Now I take the square root on both sides. So you get x plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus, then you have the square root of b squared minus 4ac over here, and then you have the square root of 4a squared, which is just the square root of 4 times the square root of a squared, which is just 2a. Well, then you bring the b over 2a to the other side, so now you're left with x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and this divided by 2a. But then again, these have the same denominator, so this is working with fractions. So now you can add these two together, and you're left with x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. And that's the quadratic formula that we know so well. So yeah, that's how you get it. You take the original equation, you complete the square on it, and you end up getting the formula at the end. And this is why the formula actually works.